Here in figure we are going to be discuss about the two stages of the stomata. In case of this, first the stomata is open. When this we have seen, this is the two cord cell is present here in that stomatal pores, and these are the subsidiary cell which are the made by the blue color. And so when that endoosmosis is going to takes place, the concentration of water is low in the guard cell. When the entry of water from the subsidiary cell to guard cell, then the stomata is going to be open, so that for the closing and opening of stomata, guard cell play the most important role, as well as the potassium ion is also take a participate in the opening and closing of guard cell. In the second case, when the water concentration is high in the guard cell, then the water is going to be lost, move from the guard cell to subsidiary cell through the process of exoosmosis, so that stomata is going to be the close, so that the plant close these pores when does not need to the carbon dioxide for the photosynthesis. The two functions we are going to be seen of stomata: one is that responsible for the transport of water, as well as it is responsible for the gaseous exchange, like that carbon dioxide and oxygen is going to exchange by the process of the respiration. And so next one, this opening and closing of the stomatal pore is the function of guard cell, and the guard cell is the swell when the water flows into them, so through the process of endoosmosis, and cause the stomatal pore to open. Later we are going to be the discuss about that whole process in the previous class. And stomatal pores close if the guard cell are shrink, so that process of the exoosmosis is going to take place in this case. And so we have discussed about how the autotrophs meet energy requirements. They also need other raw material for the building their body. Water used in the photosynthesis is taken up from the soil by the root in the terrestrial plant, like the nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, magnesium are taken up from the soil. And nitrogen is essential elements that are also the important point for the board examination. The essential elements used in the synthesis of protein, nucleic acid and other component of the needed for the organism. So nitrogen is taken up in the form of inorganic nitrates and nitrites. It is taken up as the organic component which have been prepared by the bacteria from that atmospheric nitrogen, like that Nitrobacter, H2Bacter. These are the bacteria which are the responsible for the nitrogen fixation in case of leguminous plants. Thanks.